Welcome back to Unlock B2 English. I'm Sarah. Today, we're going to look at 10 English phrases that sound really strange if you translate them word by word. But guess what? Native speakers use them all the time.
And I'm Mark. Exactly. If you've ever thought, that doesn't make sense in my language, don't worry. It's normal. Some expressions just don't translate directly. Let's start with number one.
Number 1. It's not my cup of tea.
Yeah, if you say that literally in another language, people will look at you like, what? But in English, it simply means, I don't like it, or it's not for me.
Example. I know everyone loves horror movies, but they're not my cup of tea.
Perfect. Okay, number two, break a leg.
Sounds violent, right? But in English, it actually means good luck, especially before a performance or an exam.
So if your friend has a job interview, don't say good luck, say break a leg.
Nice. Number 3. I'm under the weather.
Oh yes, this one is strange. You're not literally standing under the rain. It just means you're feeling a bit sick.
Example. I think I'll stay home today. I'm feeling under the weather.
Number 4, spill the beans.
Again, don't imagine beans on the floor. It means to reveal a secret.
Come on, spill the beans. What happened on your date?
Exactly. Number 5. Hit the books.
No violence here either. It just means to study hard.
For example, I have an exam tomorrow, so I need to hit the books tonight.
All right, number 6, piece of cake.
Oh, this one is fun. If something is a piece of cake, it's really easy.
Like, that exam was a piece of cake.
Number 7. Once in a blue moon.
We don't actually look at the moon's color. It just means something happens very rarely.
Example. I only eat fast food once in a blue moon.
Nice. Number 8, cost an arm and a leg.
Don't worry, no one is losing body parts here. It simply means something is very expensive.
This new phone cost me an arm and a leg.
Number 9. Let the cat out of the bag.
Again, don't think of an animal escaping. It means to reveal a secret by accident.
He let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party.
And finally, number 10, the ball is in your court.
Sports metaphor. It means it's your turn to make a decision or take action.
For example, I've done everything I can. Now the ball is in your court.
So, those were 10 phrases that sound super strange if you translate them literally, but English speakers use them all the time.
And if you learn them, you'll sound much more natural, and you won't freeze when you hear them in real conversations.
Exactly. Which one of these phrases is your favorite? Or have you ever heard an expression in English that confused you?
Leave a comment below, and maybe we'll explain it in a future episode.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Unlock B2 English, and share it with your friends who are learning English.
Thanks for watching, and remember, English is not always logical, but it can always be fun.
See you next time.